When I first started studying the Deer Creek watershed, I thought it was just a small creek running through my backyard. In 1850, Lorenzo Sawyer coined the phrase coyoteing on Buckeye Hill, which was near American Hill. Shafts were sunk only 6 or 8 feet deep. When bedrock was reached, the miner worked on hands and knees within a 30-foot claim, brought dirt to the surface by means of a windlass, and hauled it 1/2 to 1 mile to Deer Creek to be washed. Oregon and Buckeye Hills in the area were completely washed away by hydraulic mining. Local Nisenan tribal stories tell of people who lived in deep Deer Creek pools. They were one-legged and had wavy hair. They could live on land for a while after being caught by a fisherman.